friends. Hi. It's been long. So therefore I'm coming back with this beautiful video that I'm very sure you guys will like, because I've searched the YouTube channel and I've not seen this particular topic I'm about to teach today on YouTube. I'm going to wash it off, and yeah, so stick to my video. And if you're just stopping by, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I love you guys. Mwah. Thanks for your support, guys. You're almost getting to 5,000 followers. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. So guys, in today's video we'll be talking about how to lift a dark root hair, how to reduce the dark roots to a neutral dark roots, if that makes sense. So this customer reached out to me, and she was like, she bought this hair, a brown hair, so she wanted to have a dark root on the hair. So she took it to the stylist and in the market, and requested that she wanted a dark root. And unfortunately for her, what she got wasn't what she wanted. You get. So a friend of mine who was forward, a friend of mine referred her to me when she complained to her. So guys, in this sense, I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So this was hanging, the jet black, which they obviously took as a dark root, was hanging on the hair. So this is the hair. This is the hair. So this is a bone straight wig. This is a brown bone straight hair. You get. So now look at you can see how this dark root is hanging all around her hair. You can see that. So it's hanging all around her hairs, and this is not what she wanted. This is not what she wanted. The black is so, I don't know how you guys, okay, I think this angle is nice. It's so black. It's a jet black. Meanwhile, this is meant to be like a dark brown blending into this brown. So we're going to change this. We're going to reduce this effect to tone it down correctly. I'm going to be using, I broke my plate, so I'm going to be using this to mix this. Please, if you use this, don't use it to eat or anything. You can throw it away. So I'm going to be using this bleach. It's a bleaching powder. I'm going to be using this developer. So this is it. And then this adult dye in the darkest shade. This adult dye in the darkest shade. And my brush. Something is cooking. I'm applying this, I can hear the smell. Now when you're applying this, don't just put this at the dark roots, because it's going to lift, and you don't want it lifting and leaving harsh lines again. Now we are trying to get rid of those harsh lines. So guys, as you can see, the back is lifting already. So let's finish off with the front. This is remember, I'm trying to work on this, but we're not trying to be fast as possible. You guys can see that it's lifted. You can no longer see the black shadows. Okay, right? So now we're going to wash it off, and yes, we're going to wash it off. Then go back to the.
You can see that there's no more dark roots, but it's kind of over bleached here. But we don't have to worry, okay? Because we are still going to work on it. So let's go dye the hair. So we're going to be applying the adult dye directly to the hair, light weighted. Okay. Now, section the hair. We're going to start applying the dye from here.
Is another need is day 2, and I woke up very early today to be able to finish this work. And guys, let me show you guys the final finish of this hair. Okay, so Now you can see the outcome of this hair. You can see the outcome. Now the dark roots, the result we are aiming for was the dark roots to blend in to this, and you can see it did exactly that. Here is the dark root, but meanwhile it's blended into the hair. It's not harsh. It doesn't show any line that okay the black root stopped here or something. You can't see where it started from or where it's coming out from. So that's the professional tip that we are looking for. Very nice. Let me get this closer. So now you can see that there's no harsh line. The black is blending into the brown. The dark roots rather is blending into the brown. It's not harsh, just there. It's isn't pretty. See. So yeah. If you want to see more of our works, go to my TikTok page. I have a lot varieties of our work there, and if you want to send us a DM, feel free to send us a DM so we can work on your hairs. Okay.
Very soft and soft.